We would like to thank everybody for coming out and supporting all the Caring Corps. We would like this event to go ahead and get started. So what we will do is we will start by having the showing of the colors. The showing of the colors. This will be presented by the Alderheims Air Force Junior ROTC. Tonight's color guard will be commanded by Cadet Lieutenant Colonel David Wells, Cadet Airman John Kelly, Cadet Airman Basic Alden Hayes, Cadet Airman Basic Mikey Powell. We will also have the national anthem by Tamir Frager. Will we all stand, please?